Ever wondered how Japan's iconic Mount Fuji came into existence? Well, sit back and let's traverse the eons. Born of the Earth's crust, Mount Fuji is a testament to the power of our planet's inner forces. It's not just a mountain, but a fiery phoenix rising from the ashes of its volcanic past. This majestic peak didn't just appear overnight. It's the result of hundreds of thousands of years of volcanic activity, layer upon layer of lava and ash accumulating to form what we now know as Mount Fuji. It's not just any volcano, but a stratovolcano. This means it's made up of alternating layers of lava flows, volcanic ash, and other volcanic debris. This unique structure contributes to Mount Fuji's almost perfect symmetrical shape, a sight that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. So the majestic Mount Fuji is not just a mountain, but a testament to the Earth's fiery past. But did you know, beyond its geological significance, Mount Fuji holds a deep cultural and spiritual significance in Japan? Indeed, Mount Fuji is not just a mountain, it's a sacred symbol deeply ingrained in the Japanese psyche. For centuries, it has played a pivotal role in Japanese folklore, often depicted as the home of the Shinto goddess, Konohana Sakuya Haim, the blossom princess and symbol of delicate earthly life. This majestic mountain has also been a muse for artists, its distinctive silhouette immortalized in countless works of art. Perhaps the most famous among these is Katsushika Hokusai's 36 Views of Mount Fuji, a series of prints that dramatically showcase the mountain from various perspectives and seasons. Mount Fuji is more than just a sight to behold, it's a journey to be undertaken. It's a spiritual pilgrimage site, attracting hundreds of thousands of climbers every year who embark on the arduous climb to its summit. This journey is often seen as a metaphor for life, reflecting the trials, the perseverance, and the joy of reaching the pinnacle. And let's not forget its influence on Japanese poetry and literature. Mount Fuji has been a recurring theme in haiku, a traditional form of Japanese poetry, its grandeur and beauty encapsulated in 17 syllables. Mount Fuji, with its snow-capped peak and serene beauty, has indeed inspired generations. It's not just a mountain, it's a symbol of Japan's cultural and spiritual identity. From a fiery past to a serene present, Mount Fuji continues to enthrall millions. A symbol of Japan's enduring spirit, this majestic mountain is not just a sight to behold, but a world-renowned tourist attraction. Mount Fuji's arresting beauty lures countless adventurers each year. Its well-marked trails beckon hikers from around the globe, each eager to conquer its peak and gaze at the world from its towering summit. And it's not just the thrill-seekers who find solace here. The mountain's tranquil surroundings and awe-inspiring vistas provide a captivating backdrop for sightseers and photographers alike. Each frame captured here is a testament to nature's raw, unfiltered beauty, and the world has taken notice. In 2013, UNESCO recognized Mount Fuji's universal value and added it to its World Heritage List. This nod to its cultural and natural significance has only fueled the mountain's popularity, drawing in even more visitors each year. But despite the influx of tourists, Mount Fuji has retained its charm. Its lush greenery, the serene lakes that mirror its peak, the ethereal beauty of its snow-capped summit, everything remains as mesmerizing as ever. Mount Fuji, a mesmerizing blend of nature's grandeur and cultural richness, continues to reign supreme in the heart of Japan. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned about Mount Fuji. We delved into its geological formation, a testament to the dynamic forces shaping our planet. We explored its profound cultural significance, a sacred symbol deeply embedded in the heart of Japan. And we journeyed to today's Mount Fuji, a popular spot attracting millions every year, each visitor captivated by its timeless beauty. Mount Fuji, a marvel of nature and a symbol of Japanese culture, truly stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the land of the rising sun.